get it. Wait, when ele moshimane o le tswa gole, there's fights in between, and maybe that's why relationship ya lona ele strongnyana, cousin. Mara ya gore a go beeletsa yona, that ke yone ke sa kgoneng go e emela.
Only life sometimes.
Life is unfair. That is why we must hate the game, not the player.
Ngabe nje ungibonile indlela lenginathe ngayo intolo umzala. Abungibonile ukuthi ngiguquke nje ngabanhlekiso nalapha ebantini. Ngitshela kona ukuthi mhlawumbe kutawuba ngqono. Kungishiye kuphi lokho? Ngathi mzala. Ngabe ungibonile intolo ngalendlela lenginathe ngayo. Nginathile mzala ngitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe kutawehla liphukuphuku. Akuzange nje kwasitanga lutho ngizama kubalele konke lokho.
Mzala ngiyakuzwa ne. Ene utawunatha unathile. Maria utlolebala yona. O ka se lebale ne. Wait again. A re di tlogele tseo. My thing is if vele moshimane o wa morata mo founele wa bona. Ene len ha o rata o tlo mmona o tlo tla amatha mo ka re ke setlale se seng.
Yeah. Kuthi nje nami angifuni nje ukuthi le mntana akhule ngaphandle kwababa wakhe. Ekucaleni ngakhulisa umntwana ngingedwa ngaba inhlekiso nje. Yalo kufanele ngilwe nje ngibele lokho.
Amzala. Ngiyakhutlwa ne. Mara don't even think about that. Wabona ya go nagana gore mosimane o tlo dula just because of when o pregnant. Mosimane ha batla o dula, o tlo dula ne. Ene la batla o tsamaya, o tlo tsamaya. Ene mzala to top it off. Mosimane o very abusive. And again to get understanding why because o pregnant ka ngwana hae.
Uthi nje nami angikho innocent. Futhi nje angisuye lo muntu locabanga ukuthi nguye. Asengisho nje ukuthi ngiyiflop nje yonke into lengiyentako ibuya back kimi. Ibuya back kimi.
Mzala. Wait. Rabua ne. Mara I get the conversation here guy because one last no mzala usho ushapo like it seems like ophela in your own world only one like how na into etshantse unjwetse yona perhaps
Uthi he is not the father. Mzala siyakhuluma. Mzala.
Wait again ne. Something I want you to apologize to my cousin ne. And wait a minute about how I apologize or make us sure gore lena o bona gore you regret ka movie e o no yetsa mangobane.
Manje kanti open. Phela ngoba uyongifonela ngicabanga ukuthi uzoba iphathi yale conversation.
Yeah, wait again. Ke utlwa ntho o bong ka yona. And everything it lies halo only if when you behave and o stop go ketsa Shaka Zulu on top of yena ne. And another thing I know you guys you love each other so much ne. Maria dintwa yona azanye le ka tsatsi la mohlolo ya look at the relationship. And the last thing that we want ha re batla go bona on the social media ba postile ba justice for Mang. And I guess le lona khale batla ntho eo.
Ngiyakuzwa kahle kodwa uyazi lento ebona izolo ayiyona le ndlela ecabanga ngayo kodwa ngoba nje uyangisola yeah I admit I was totally wrong nginethemba ukuthi umzala wakho uzoyithola indlela ukuthi mhlawumbe one day angixolele aphinde angane second chance.
Yeah, I guess khoyalo
Ngikhulelwe.
Hayibo ngempela.
Yes, and it's even 20 weeks now.
Hayibo
Another dish, another tear I'm wiping. Can't seem to shake this deep thought creeping. You love the guy, that much is true, but putting hands on you, I just can't stand it. Life, it's so unfair sometimes. Don't let this baby hold you down. I know I messed up, I'm a flop right now, but this history won't repeat itself. I gotta make it right for my baby's health. He's not the father. He's not the father.